Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, this is Vivian OKK here with a transformation video. You guys, now I'm already feeling sad because I want to transform this jersey into a trendy ruched top, but this jersey has been with me for like 8 years. It was given to me by, do you guys want to hear the backstory? I know you don't care, but just listen anyways. It was given to me by my ex-boyfriend, one of my ex-boyfriend from 8 years back, and I have had it, and I have kept it, and I have worn it for that long because I love the jersey, I love the fabric, I love how it stretches. So yeah, it was a keeper, and I kept it, but I did not keep the boyfriend. I did not keep the boyfriend. So you guys, I have overused this jersey that is already fading. But today I have decided to change it into something I want, something trendy, something I saw and I fell in love with instantly. So I will be transforming this jersey into a ruched crop top with 2 straps, like the ruched crop. The straps is connected to the ruche. It's very easy. I haven't done this before. This is my first time, but I feel like it's simple. Looking at the picture, you already know it's very easy to achieve. So let's do this together. If you're new on this channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And if you have been coming back to my channel and you have not subscribed, why not do that? Today is the day. Today is that day. You know, today is the day. So go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to like this video and share if you find it interesting. And also, I have previous videos that will interest you. I have videos on how to take body measurements. If you are a new designer and you are yet to know all these things, I have them plenty for you. I have how to take body measurements. I have how to cut. I have to basic step to sewing, basic step to making dress, top, drafting pattern. All those videos are available for you on this channel. So just go ahead and check this out and let me know what you think on the comment section below about this transformation. So let's get into the video, guys. I have been talking too much and it's time for me to zip it. So first thing first, I'll go ahead and flip this to the wrong side. As you can see, there are like so many colors on this jersey. This is going to be the back and this is going to be the front. So now I'll take the length of how long I want the top to be. This is the base. "16 inches is long enough.